Teachers, I want to show you how to use the resource BrainPop. We had this last year, and now because of the virus, we have had the added benefit of getting it back. I want to show you where your classes are and how to assign assignments. So you need to go via the Launchpad. You do not need to go just brainpop.com because the logins are very long and lengthy. This is the same for your students. They need to log in via the Launchpad. If you're elementary, you'll see both, but for middle school and high school, we want to click right here, BrainPop District. And then when it pops up, slowly but surely, we're going to focus right here on Dashboard. Now, if you want to find certain topics or just peruse, you could come here or you can even type in a certain topic. But first, let's look at the dashboard. And this lets you see your classes. So I'm going to go ahead and assign this next week's assignment that I want for my class. We're actually going to remove this one. This was one that I was doing for something else. So here we are, and we want to create an assignment. I'm going to be using BrainPop regular. I'm not going to be using the junior. Okay, we're going to be doing an assignment on Copernicus. It's going to say added, and then it's going to come here to the builder. You might want to go into the search area and peruse the different items. I tend to stick to the movie quiz, and challenge. Sometimes I will use the related readings and the out of game, but for today we're just going to do these three. So I click the three items I want it graded that I want to do. After I've clicked what I want to add, I come here. I can add any additional instructions that I want. Let's see, do the movie first, then the challenge, and finally the movie quiz. Okay, I'm going to click next, and I need to select the class that I want to do this with. You do have the option to do it for just a whole class, or you can come here and assign to specific students. And lastly, I'm going to click Assign. Once I do that, it is immediately sent to the students' dashboards, and they can see it. I know it has the copy assignment link. That can be troublesome sometimes if students aren't logged in correctly. I would just encourage them to go through the Launchpad and go to their dashboard and find the assignment there. So I'm going to do one more, create an assignment. I'm going to do this one on Galileo. And same thing, for this one, I'm just going to do the movie quiz, challenge, next, and select my class and assign. I hope that helps you with assigning. Also, when you go to dashboard, once it's assigned and you go to the class, you will be able to see what students are done and their scores on the assignments. That way you can import those into your grade book. Right now, obviously, none of my students have done that, but I can click on the assignment, and at that time, I will be able to see all of my students and what they have done, including the actual scores of their assignment. Thank you.